Just got my new JBL Soundbar. They had the subwoofer come with it. So here's my unboxing video. And by the way, I'm kind of excited about the subwoofer. It's by JBL and Harman. It's kind of cool. It says Legacy TV made smarter. So anyways, the whole purpose of this is that guy right there. It includes Android TV because my Sony of 3 years ago restarts all the time and operates very slowly. So I'm hoping this is going to operate very quickly. So in the box we got the subwoofer and the goodies. Subwoofer, the soundbar. So we got the manual. I don't know how to read that. Looks like there's a box down there with all the goodies. So there's the soundbar. There's the goodies. 1, 2, 3 HDMI and ARC. And the subwoofer looks like a sync button. Then in the box you have the power cable. You'll see batteries and something else. Got an HDMI cable. And this is the one guy that I was having a hard time finding pictures of, the remote. So this is another exciting feature because my Sony remote, when I hit the microphone button, it takes forever for the assistant to come up. But I'm hoping this is going to be much faster. And I hope when I turn this on, it turns on the TV all in one swoop. Now what I'm replacing is a Sony NT5. And if you notice my TV, I had to put it up on a shelf because flat, the remote couldn't see the TV. So I think the new soundbar is going to be a lower profile. As a matter of fact, you can tell it's a lower profile. Let's look at one other thing. It's almost the same size in terms of width. So I got it connected. Interesting thing is the HDMI cable that it came with was too short to go around the long side, so I had to go around that way. But I'm about to set it up. Okay. All right, hold on a second. I'm going to do this and I'll be right back. So I'm like, I thought I put my phone on the charger. Where is it? I'm like, oh yeah, I'm using it to record this video. One of the lowest tech, high-tech people there is. but I'm using my tablet to set it up. Kind of lame, but I'm getting it done. Something went wrong, really. Okay, well it connected to my Wi-Fi and now it's doing an update. I guess I can get the subwoofer out the box now, huh? So it's doing a system update. So in the box for the subwoofer we have the power cable along with these paper things. What the heck? Paper that's wrapped in plastic. All right, this is a two-hand job. So there it is. How about some light? I have to say, it's quite a bit bigger. So I almost have the subwoofer set up, but decided I should go ahead and set up my TV or my soundbar. And we have success. Twitter for Android TV, interesting. With all these others stuck on here, like I don't want HBO Max, I don't want YouTube Kids. I definitely don't want Sling TV. I use YouTube TV. Nice. Okay, now we'll get the subwoofer set up. Honestly, the sound was pretty awesome without the subwoofer. But time to get that set up. That's the bottom of the subwoofer. I think the pairing button's right there. Okay, flip this guy over. Hit the pairing button. Okay, that's blinking. Hit the pairing button there. All right, now let's see how fast it works. Bam. Nice. I hear the subwoofer is paired correctly. Okay, let's get some music. Tell you what, let's use the Google Assistant. David Guetta from YouTube. David Guetta from YouTube. David Guetta from YouTube. Okay, it appears you have to hold down the Google Assistant button. Okay, well, now it's updating all kinds of apps and stuff. I have no idea how loud the volume is set on. Obviously, it's taking a while because it's updating apps while I'm trying to access the internet. Okay, that wasn't a cool first start. I wonder if YouTube just updated. Alright, I think I need to set it up and let it install the apps before I do a full demonstration video. So that's my unboxing and setup of the JBL Soundbar with Google Assistant and subwoofer, wireless subwoofer. Let's try to play something. Actually, here, I'm going to play a video from this channel. Because I know this sound, audio is not copyrighted. Oh, that has a nice full sound. Alright, well, thanks for watching.